Let's talk about famed researcher, professor, and author Philip Heinlein. Philip Heinlein is still a current practitioner of behavioral science, teaching and researching at Temple University. He started his professional life by completing his BA at Hamilton College and earned a PhD at Harvard University. He also did further studies by completing 3 years of research at the very prestigious Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. It is from here that he went to Temple, where he has planted roots and stayed. Heinlein, along with his fellow professor, Dr. Saul Axelrod, founded the interdisciplinary master's program in applied behavior analysis. He continues to teach both at the lower and advanced levels in this program. He has received Great Teacher of the Year award and several others from the university and its alumni association. He has also received awards from respected places such as the American Psychological Association. Heinlein mostly works in the lab using animals such as rats and pigeons. He also uses people as subjects in the lab. Recently, he has done a study in the field with a pre-adolescent female, which is outside the realm of what he normally does. He studies children with autism and also persons with closed head injuries. He is still actively doing research in the lab with partners, by himself, and with his students. The next 5 slides will list the articles I looked at to gain an understanding of his work. They are all similar in perspective. He has taken other researchers to task when he disagrees with them and is happy to add to the research and discussion on behavior science. As stated before, there is only one anomaly I found in his research. Based on the research I found on Heinlein, I decided to give a summary of what I thought his answer would be if I had interviewed him. I also found 2 actual interviews that had been done of him previously on YouTube. I found him to be an insightful, thoughtful, and polite person. He enjoys teaching and sharing his knowledge with others. He enjoys a rousing discussion. His favorite place is the lab. He wants to see behavior science continue to thrive and break new ground without losing its true purpose. In conclusion, Philip Heinlein is still a giant in behavior science. He has contributed greatly to the research, and I know he will continue to do so for a long time. He is gracious in acknowledging his shortcomings and his need to expand his area of research. He is adamant that his colleagues should not get bogged down in the marketability of behavior analysis, as that would only lead to mistakes in the long run.